In this video, I will show you how to use a USB drive just like this one over here on your Samsung Smart TV. Now first things first, it is important to note that not all USB drive can actually work on your Samsung Smart TV. For your USB drive to be compatible, it has to be formatted at FAT32. And while some USB drive are actually formatted at FAT32 by default, some are not. But the process of doing this is not so difficult, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your laptop in a second. Now, to format your USB drive to MS-FAT at 32, first thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect your USB drive to your laptop. In this case, I am using a MacBook over here, but you can do this on your Windows laptop as well. Now, once it is connected, you want to go ahead and open up the Finder app, which is the equivalent of the File Explorer in the case of your Windows laptop. Now, if you're using a Windows laptop, what you can just do is to go ahead and find your connected USB drive. In my case, this is it over here. And what you just want to do is to go ahead and right click on it, and you're going to see the options to format the USB drive. Go ahead and select format and then choose the MS-FAT at 32. In the case of a MacBook just like this one over here, what you want to do is to go over to the applications folder over here, and then you just want to scroll down to where you have utilities. You can literally see it over here. Go ahead and expand it, and then scroll down to where you have disk utility. You can literally see that over there. Now double click on it, and now go ahead and select your USB drive, which you can see over here. Now you can now format the USB drive by clicking on the erase button over here, and now you want to go ahead and select MS-FAT at 32. So make sure that it is actually formatted at MS-FAT at 32. And finally, once you've successfully formatted your USB drive at FAT32, you want to go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV. My 32-inch Samsung Smart TV over here has just one USB port, but if yours actually has more than one, then you just want to go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, once it is connected, you're going to see this pop up over here on your Samsung Smart TV, and basically what you want to do is to go ahead and select browse, which will automatically take you to the USB drive on your Samsung Smart TV. If you do not see the pop up from the home of your Samsung Smart TV, you just want to scroll over to the left hand side until where you get to the source icon over there. You want to just scroll to the top and then go ahead and select the U disk over here, which is basically the USB disk. Now go ahead and select it, and you should be automatically taken to the USB drive that is being connected to your Samsung Smart TV. Now mine, as you can see over here, is loaded with a picture and just one video, so you can just go ahead and load it with as many pictures and videos you want, and you can literally just watch them on your Samsung Smart TV. You might also want to note that not all file formats can actually be read by the Samsung Smart TV, but trust me, majority of the type of files and videos you might want to send on the TV works perfectly on the Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.